smooth and shiny hair. How to have long, healthy, thick, and beautiful hair. Having healthy, beautiful hair is within reach if you develop the right hair care habits and protect your hair from damage. When you handle your hair gently, nourish it with natural conditioners, and avoid using heat styling tools, you give your hair the chance to look and feel healthier than ever. Being healthy from the inside out by eating vitamin-rich foods will also have an effect on the appearance of your hair. Handle your hair gently when you wash and dry it. The way you handle your hair makes a big difference in its texture and appearance. When you're rough with your hair, it can frizz up and start looking dull. Hair is a fragile material that should be handled with care, just like a delicate piece of fabric. Here's what to keep in mind. When you shampoo your hair, don't roughly scrub it. Massage the shampoo into your hair and distribute it with your fingers. Rinse your conditioner in the coldest water you can stand. The cold temperature seals the cuticle and helps your hair look shiny, while hot water will cause it to frizz up and look dull. Gently squeeze the water from your hair and pat it dry with a towel instead of twisting and wringing it out. Shampoo just a few times a week. Shampooing your hair every single day causes it to dry out and become brittle. The natural oil your scalp produces to nourish your hair gets rinsed away before it can do its job. If you want your hair to stay healthy and shiny, you only really need to wash it once or twice a week, depending on your hair type. Let your hair air dry instead of using heat. The best way to keep your hair healthy is to let it dry naturally instead of using a hairdryer. The heat from the hairdryer damages the hair shaft, and if you do it every day, you'll definitely see damage over time. Put that hairdryer away and let your hair dry the natural way. Comb your hair instead of brushing it. Running a plastic bristled brush through your hair, especially when it's wet, is almost guaranteed to cause some damage. Brushing tends to rip your hair, while combing removes the tangles without pulling it out. Use a wide-tooth comb and work out the tangles starting close to the tips and moving up to the roots. Don't use damaging treatments. Dyeing, bleaching, chemically straightening, and chemically curling your hair all damage the shaft. For the healthiest possible hair, it's best to stop these treatments and let your hair take on its natural color and texture. Your hair might not be the exact color you want, but it will be healthy, shiny, and silky. Avoid restrictive hairstyles that pull out hair. Waves, wefts, dreads, and other styles that require permanently pulling your hair into a tight position can cause damage and hair loss. While some types of weaves are less damaging than others, sewn weaves are usually better than glue-ins, for example. Your hair will be healthier if you forego them altogether. Condition your hair each time you shampoo. Use just enough conditioner to coat the strands of your hair without completely weighing it down. Apply the conditioner an inch or so from your roots and use a wide-toothed comb to comb it down to the tips. Rinse the conditioner with cool water for a shiny finish. Do deep conditioning treatments every few weeks. Deep conditioning treatments are a great way to make your hair look silkier and shinier. Since the treatments are so effective, you only need to do them once every week or two. Use a store-bought deep conditioner or a household oil like coconut oil, olive oil, or almond oil. Try a homemade hair mask. On days when you don't have time for a deep conditioning treatment, but you want to give your hair an extra lift, try using a household product to enhance your hair's texture and appearance. After you wet your hair in the shower, apply a hair mask. Shampoo it out at the end of your shower. Here are homemade masks that make hair shiny and silky. 1 tablespoon of honey or 1 egg white. 1 blended banana or avocado. 1 tablespoon of milk or yogurt. A combination of any of the above ingredients. Use finishing oil or serum to add shine. If your hair tends to get frizzy and dull, hair oil or serum will smooth it down and protect it from the elements during the day. Put a few drops on your fingertips and run the serum through your hair, focusing on the tips. Look for hair serum or oil that contains one of the following nourishing ingredients: argan oil, Moroccan oil, jojoba oil. Try a boar bristle brush. Most brushes are unhealthy for hair, but boar bristle brushes are specially designed to make your hair shiny and smooth. The bristles are the same texture as human hair, and they pull your hair's natural oil from the roots to the tips for a nourishing conditioning treatment. These brushes also stimulate the scalp, which promotes hair growth. Making healthy lifestyle choices. Be healthy from the inside out. Your diet and other health habits have a big effect on the texture of your hair. When you eat plenty of protein, nutrients, and healthy fats, your hair looks shiny and healthy. When you don't, your hair is the first place it shows. Use natural hair products. Ingredients in your shampoo and conditioner may be making your hair look dry and dull instead of silky and shiny. Switch to all-natural shampoos and conditioners that nourish your hair instead of stripping its gleam and weighing it down. Massage your scalp to promote hair growth. Besides feeling great, massage promotes good circulation in the scalp, which helps your hair grow faster and stronger. Do a scalp massage every day, or at least every time you take a shower. Just place your fingers on your scalp and rub it using a gentle circular motion. Get regular trims. Trim off your split ends regularly to keep your hair in the best of health. Getting regular trims will also make your hair look shinier in appearance, since you're removing the dull, damaged parts. Choose a cut that brings out the best in your hair and get your locks trimmed every 6-8 weeks. And that's a wrap on your journey to smooth, shiny perfection. Remember, your hair is your crown. Nurture it with love, style it with care, and let it shine brighter than the stars. Until next time, stay radiant and effortlessly chic. Bye, gorgeous.